Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to verify a YouTube channel. So first thing first, you must need to do, make sure you have a number available that you really want to use to verify, because if you don't verify your account, it will not be able to go viral and you'll not be able to do a lot of things. Even YouTube thumbnail, you will not be able to add it up to your video. So let's quickly click on get started. So before I dive into that deeply, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please give it a like, subscribe, and also share. Okay. So it's saying your device will ask for your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. Okay. I'll give it a go ahead, like to continue. So the fingerprint is here required. I have done that. So it's gonna going to navigate me to where I can like add up my phone number. I'm gonna going to choose my country of residence or my country of origin. So I'm gonna going to choose Nigeria because I'm doing this from my country, Nigeria. So I'll search for my country. Search for my country now. Like right now, searching for my country, Nigeria. So this is my country. I'm gonna going to add up my phone number now. Okay, I've added up my phone number. I'm going to click on next. Clicking on next, I will hold on for them to send me a code. So I have to click OK. The code is here 575850. 575850. You can see the code is here, so I'll just click on verify. If I just click on verify, you can see BAM is done. When signing in, you will be asked to complete the most secure second steps. So make sure this info is always up to date. So it is my phone number, this is my Google prompt. So okay, I'll now click on done. It's very simple. Now my account number, now my YouTube account is verified successfully. I can add other authenticators, pass keys, and also a backup code. But for now, this is like enough for me. Okay. So I will go to my YouTube again to refresh. So this is done. I will go to I will go like right now to confirm. I'll go to channel, go to advanced setting, go to feature eligibility. You can see this is being eligible. This is enabled now because channel is free of active community guideline. Now you will see that my channel will be verified. Okay, now I can now upload video, create a playlist, and also add a collaborations and new video to a playlist. All right, so this is good news to me, and congratulations to me that my account is being verified. All right, so thank you so much. Subscribe for more.